Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our bellies. You can place one hand on top of the other and lower your right cheek on top of your hands. And let's just take some deep breaths in and out through our nose. And now we're just going to switch sides, bringing our left cheek to the backs of our palms this time. Slowly start to bend your legs, and we're just going to windshield wiper our legs. So dropping the feet to the left and then dropping the feet to the right. And you do that slowly a couple more times. Let's do that one more time. And now we relax our legs back onto our bed. Let's make our way into the fetal position on our right side. Let's make our way onto our back now. We're going to keep our knees bent. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on the heart. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, big breath, breathing in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Slowly drop your legs over to the right side of the room. And if you have room, you can open your arms wide or bend your arms out to the side. And I want you to just take some deep breaths in and out through your nose, relaxing your body.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
And now we switch sides, dropping our legs over to the left.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Come back to center as you hug your knees into your chest. And now we extend our legs up towards the ceiling for our waterfall pose. Let's flex our feet. And we point. Again, let's flex. And now let's point. Let's flex again, grabbing behind our legs. We gently start to bring our legs a little bit closer to us, feeling a little stretch behind the legs here. Let's lower our legs down, and we straighten them onto the bed. Extend your arms overhead, and let's just take a full body stretch, straightening the arms and the legs. And relax your arms, bringing your right leg into a half butterfly. And now we straighten that right leg onto the bed as we bring our left leg into our half butterfly. And now we come into a full butterfly position, bringing the soles of our feet together. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, big breath in through the nose and let it out. Let's roll over onto our left side, coming into the fetal position. And we slowly make our way back onto our bellies, coming into our Sphinx pose. Let's drop our head back and drop our head forward. Again, let's drop our head back and forward. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Right ear to right shoulder. Again, left ear to left shoulder. And right ear to right shoulder. Let's end class by resting our cheek on the backs of our palms just like we did before. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it out. Again, we take a big inhale in through the nose and let it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that this class was able to relax you. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes. Like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.